Hi everyone, let us solve the code snippet. Here is the question. Checking for uniqueness. They have defined a function named unique. Let us come to it a bit later. Now let us look at a variable x assigned a list of integers and a variable y which is also assigned a list of integers. In the print statement, they have called unique function by passing a value x. Here x is nothing but an argument because the value which we send to a function is nothing but argument. Whenever we call a function, the cursor immediately moves to the function definition part. Here it is. Here num is nothing but a parameter. Why? Because a value enclosed between parentheses in a function definition is called a parameter. We'll move forward. Return. Return is a function in Python which returns the value. And length. Length is a function which finds the length of an iterable object. Here length of num means length of a list which we have sent means argument. Length of the list which we have sent 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 3 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1. It gives 7 because the length of it is nothing but 7. Now double equal to, it is nothing but a comparison operator in Python which compares two objects. And length of set of num. Set of num means it converts the list object to a set object where it will be as 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 3. No, because set doesn't contain duplicate values. So the value here is 2. That's all. I hope so you got. It will give the output as 4 because the length of the set is nothing but 4. The comparison operator compares 7 is double equal to 4. Is it true? No. So it will return our output as false, a boolean value. Now the cursor moves to the next print statement where the unique function is again called by passing a value y. Then the cursor moves to the function definition as usual. Here the length of num is the length of this list which is nothing but 4. It is double equal to length of set of num. Here you can see that in this list there is no duplicate value. So if we convert this list to a set, then the length of that set is equal to this list. Here we can say that the length of this set is also 4. Now the comparison operator compares. 4 is double equal to 4. Is it true or false? Absolutely, it is true. Then it returns a boolean value true. I hope so you got the correct option. It is nothing but B. False, comma true. Thank you.